Hey everyone, I'm Juhi and I'm from Delhi, and this is the day 8 of my English practice. So, finally, so many frosty days. After so many frosty days, today in Delhi, sun shines and shone, and we got sunshine in the afternoon. And yes, but right now I shoot this video in a night. I did my uh, whole household chores, and now I sit peacefully and shoot this video. Okay, so what I learned it today is, so now I tell you what I learned it today. So today I learned some vocabs, and as usual, some vocabs I watch a podcast of Sudha Murthy ma'am, and there she talk about there she talked about self belief. Okay, so so I also share my experience about that talk, and what what I watch. I watch as usual romantic drama, Korean romantic drama, and after that I listened to some English songs. Today I listen cheap thrills. Okay, and yes, as usual, now it's a wrap up time of this day, and but I have to shoot this video, so I make this video right now. Okay, so today one of new student get admission in my tuition, and I'm talking about one of my student, Rudra, in previous video. And to you know what, guys, yesterday I miss him a lot, and today a new student come get to admission in my tuition, and his name also Rudra. Okay, and he is also 3 years old. So for 15 days my entertainment going on with him. Okay, and yes, I like children the most, even I love them the most. Okay, and what should I share right now? Okay. Now we can talk about we should talk about a self belief. Okay, so self belief. Today, what I learned, I share with you. Uh, so now share what I learned today about a self belief. Okay, so self belief means trusting your abilities or your capabilities when something is not going on good, or when you are in a difficult situation. It gives you courage to come out from your problems. It gives you it gives you it makes you a never give up attitude in yourself. Okay, so even no one is trusting on you, your self belief can do this. Okay, so it gives you courage to start, and it gives you courage to start and try again and never give up. Okay, so when you are believe in yourself, you stop doubting yourself and just take action. So as usual, I always said to you, make your goals, work on your goals, and yes, achieve your goals. Okay, because I think we we all should work on ourselves, work on our self growth. Okay, so self belief helps you uh, to stay strong in a uh, to stay strong during your failures, and teaches you that mistakes are a part of your growth. Okay, so this is what I learned today. from Sudhamurti ma'am's video, podcast, sorry. And yes, if you want to achieve something, so first step is you have to believe in yourself, that you can do. If you can start this, so you, only you can do this. Okay, so start to believe in yourself and work on your goal. If you can't do anything, don't take it don't take it on. Okay, so if you start something, so have courage to finish it. Okay, so I think I sum up this video here. And yes, so today's video is too short because I upload today I upload two videos, day 7 and day 8. Okay, so yes, what I learned today I share with you. uh, sorry, I'm just sharing with you. And if you also want to improve your English fluency, whatever you want to improve in yourself, so do work on your self growth. And make consistent do consistent with your goals. And make your goals, work on your goals and achieve your goals. And keep growing, keep learning, and keep watching. Thank you for watching. So we'll meet you in a next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Namaste.